Today's tutorial is about night or evening lighting in 3ds Max. If you'd like to learn how to take a beautiful render out of your project in night mode, watch the video to the end. So first of all, I'm going to take a render so you can see it's all dark inside and we don't have light yet. And now first thing I'm going to do is to add a vray plane light and put it outside my window to create natural light that exists in the environment. I'm going to put it right here, press C, go to the camera view, and for its color I want to make it blue to give the feeling that it's like 6 or 7 p.m. That's good. For its clear, I'm going to take it down to 5 and now take a render to see the result. Now as you can see, we have created our environment light. It's a primary light to make inside a little bright, and now we can add our interior lights. I want to start with these two spotlights on the top of the tables. I want to go to isolated mode and I would like to add vray for my lights. Put it in the middle of the spotlight and make a copy, make an instance copy out of it for my another spotlight. Again, by pressing C and going out of isolated mode, I want to select an IS file for my spotlight. I go to my IS files, number 21 is okay, and for its color I want to make it yellow because it's not our main light, it's more for effect, and the combination between yellow and blue light is something beautiful. So I want to make it blue. I'm going to make it yellow, and for intensity I want to make it high to 2000. And let's take a render to see the result. So as you can see, we have a soft yellow light, and the combination between yellow and blue light coming from the exterior environment is something beautiful. And we got some very strong shadows in these spots, and it's good for now. Next step, I would like to add my main light to the ceiling lamps. I would choose them and bring them to the isolated mode, and again add an IS vray light for my main light. again make an instance copy. By pressing C, go to camera mode, and for this IES file I want to choose another IES. Number 16 I believe is okay, and for its color I want to leave it here, about right here, normal white light coming from the ceiling. And for its intensity I want to make it 5000. And now let's take a render and see the result. As you can see, it's not bad, but it's not good enough. I would like to change the intensity of my ceiling lights and make it higher, about 7500, and I would like to make it more realistic, and I would like to turn on the TV by turning on vray light material that I have already added for my TV. It's right here. I have chosen a soccer match for my TV, and I gave it to the vray material light, and now I will make it about 5 to turn it on. And now let's take a render to see the result. As you can see, we are good here right now, and now I would like to add my final render setup. But before that, I would like to mention, if you are using vray physical camera, you need to apply some changes to your settings, and that's shutter speed. It's by default set on 200, and I want you to make it 15, and it will absorb more lights out of your scene, and you don't have to make your intensity of your lights so much higher. You can put down your shutter speed so it can absorb more lights out of your scene. And now we are good. I would like to add my render settings for my final render. And now let's see the final result.